how to find visiting notice notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find visiting notice notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines. Click on it and now just click settings and then just click notifications and scroll down until you find this one here, and then all you need to do is just click on it one click, or you can turn it on if you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.